You guys want to hear a little, like, bass solo? I know, I want to hear a bass solo. You ready, Andrew? All right, let's go.
Okay. Miss Small needed more time for the show. Thanks, Miss Small. I'm gonna play a bass solo. Yeah. What was that? You want me to twerk? No, trust me, I don't twerk. I couldn't twerk even if you paid me. I'm not twerking. Okay, now. What about you twerk? Come over here. Oh, God. Anyways, off to business. I'm gonna play a bass solo by a bassist named Jaco Pastorius. Nobody knows him, but he's probably one of the greatest bass players who's ever lived, and this bass solo I'm gonna play is very complex, and I don't play a lot. So Miss Small is really putting me on the spot, but whatever. I'll try my best. That's what counts. Fuck me.